The key to future success in the manufacturing industry is manufacturing resilience. LEANTEC SynFactory helps manufacturers quickly respond to market demands while maintaining high-quality standards. Main Drive, a leading brand in harmonic speed reducers, has earned the trust of its customers by achieving self-development in product design, production, assembly, and testing. It has also received ISO 9001 certification. In addition to investing substantial energy in R&D, Main Drive allocates significant resources to advanced processing techniques to ensure superior quality and production efficiency. However, in the pursuit of higher standard products, Main Drive faces severe challenges in production and quality management.
In the past, we spent a significant amount of time on shift handovers, tracking production progress, and capacity analysis. After implementing SynFactory, it provides information of utilization rates and real-time production progress, allowing us to accurately estimate the production progress. Due to the frequent changes of demands, when production adjustments are needed, the time-consuming process of modifying work orders makes it difficult to respond promptly to rush orders. Now, the system can integrate process information, allowing for quick integration of work orders, which significantly reduces the time required to complete by 95%. Furthermore, the precise machining quality traceability requires each produced semi-finished product, finished product, and outsourced parts to have a unique serial number. If the serial numbers and production records cannot be tracked and integrated, it'll make quality analysis and control difficult. The production management module provides the function of setting serial numbers, combining BOM serial numbers to establish parent-child relationships, which facilitates the tracking of production, quality, and other conditions. Frequent adjustments often lead to operate incorrect work orders, resulting in wrong work reports and making it even more challenging to accurately monitor the actual production progress. Operators can retrieve work order information merely by scanning QR code during reporting. We can ensure the accuracy of the reports. This helps track the time taken for machine adjustments and changeover, as well as standard processing time. The accuracy of the actual production progress has also improved significantly.
LEANTEC SynFactory not only uses the production management module to help track order and work order progress, but also leverages the quality management module to overcome quality challenges.
It is challenging to integrate various export files from diverse inspection devices. Inspection records must be manually entered, which is time-consuming and prevents further analysis. Quality Management Module can aggregate output files from multiple inspection equipment, quickly conduct SPC analysis, and reduce the time and labor required for data compilation and analysis. Manual recording of data from measuring instruments on paper is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Digitizing measurement data allows for quick identification of inspection items at each station and automatic determination of test results, reducing manual error and avoiding misjudgments.
Main Drive collaborated with LEANTEC SynFactory to achieve real-time production monitoring, traceability, and big data analysis. This partnership helped Main Drive realize its core values: technological prowess, outstanding teamwork, superior product performance, customer trust, and a steadfast commitment to unparalleled service.
LEANTEC SynFactory integrates OT and IT information, leveraging the power of IIoT integration, which empowers manufacturing with automation, streamlining process, and data-driven capabilities, significantly enhancing manufacturing resilience. LEANTEC Intelligence, the best partner for digital transformation.